This is a short film about Leeds Convert tram 345, which was saved from the scrapyard in 1949 by being put at the back of the depot and used as a tools store. When the Leeds tram system ended in 1959, it was taken down to Christchurch Tramway Museum, where a certain amount of restoration was undertaken, but it was then put into store, until finally, after 40 years, a fully restored tram emerged in 2006.
Then we go for a ride on the car, for we know how cozy the thoughts of the tram are. The seats are so small and there's not much to pay. You sit close together, soon all the way, and many a miss will be missed someday to ride in on top of the car. We climb on the car when the journey begins, and we make for the first vacant seat. For all other people we don't care two pins, so long as our comfort's complete. And when the conductor comes up for the fares, he punches our tickets, then goes, but gives us a wink as he pops down the stairs like an overgrown Cupid in clothes. When together and spool all the way, and many a miss will be missing someday through riding on top of the car. We get to the end of the journey all right, or at least to the end of the track, but while all the others prepare to alight, we remain on the car and go back. And when we get married, now boys, here's a tip that ought to be useful to you. We shan't spend too much on the honeymoon trip, for we've made up our minds what to do.